Hi guys, and welcome to What's Cooking in Ref's Kitchen episode 1. I'm Chef Kevin and I'm the National Sales Manager for Ref in South Africa. This is our spin on giving you guys a little bit of information about the brand during lockdown. So we hope you enjoy our culinary experience as we bring you and introduce you to one of the most exciting brands hairdressers and consumers around South Africa are talking about right now. Also, please check out our Instagram page at Ref Stockholm SA. We will be doing a quiz after this where you can possibly win a prize if you get all the answers correctly, so listen out for the facts. So this is my little Ref cookbook and these are my ingredients, and we'll delve into these guys in the next episode. This is just more of an origin story just to give you a bit of a better idea of what Ref is all about. So if you don't know what it stands for, Ref stands for Reference of Sweden. If you're not sure where Sweden is, it's over here. And we also want to show you other Swedish brands that you probably recognize, just so that you can understand that Ref also embraces the ethos of what Swedish culture is all about, which is simplicity, sustainability, and quality. So we believe in natural beauty by you, and Ref also embraces all ethnicities and cultures across the world and wants to bring Swedish standards to everyone. We combine the best of what nature and science has to bring into one, and we bring you the highest quality products for you. So here are some fast facts, so listen out. The brand was started in 2004 by a man called Jan Önsberger, and now his son Edward runs the company. This is distributed in over 30 countries worldwide and has been in South Africa for the last 9 years. Twincare took over the brand in July last year and has really grown from strength to strength thanks to you guys. So we really believe that we're going to take the brand to new heights in the following years to come. The brand is vegan, cruelty-free, paraben, gluten and sulphate free, and this is exactly what consumers are looking for in this day and age. The fact that it's 100% vegan, and why we reiterate it again, is because we're trying to minimize the negative impact we are having on this earth. As you all know, we're all in lockdown and half the planet is, so it encourages us to make better choices. The products all come with biodegradable packaging, 100% cruelty free, and it means sustainable hair care for you. So guys, in summarizing, I want to thank you for listening to the background and origin story of Ref, and please check out our next episode and check out the fact that I've got no shoes. This is Chef Kevin from What's Cooking in Ref's Kitchen episode 1. Thank you so much. See you next time. Ciao.